Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make cranberry sauce, guys. I have fresh cranberries here. It's the holiday time, and who doesn't like cranberry sauce? Well, maybe you don't, but I do. So I'm going to show you how to make it. All from scratch. Quick, simple, 3 ingredients and you're done. You may never buy cranberry sauce in the can again. It is that delicious. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, all made from scratch, subscribe, tap the bell so you'll always be notified, because I have a whole channel full of food and dishes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so you're going to need a saucepan, a wooden spoon or a spatula or something like that. And we're going to start off, we have a cup of OJ here, just OJ, regular OJ. Pour it in here. OJ, orange juice. Orange juice, guys. Pour that cup of orange juice in there. Put your sugar in, the cup of sugar. Ingredients in the description. You just want to dissolve that sugar into the orange juice until it's all nice and dissolved. Only takes a couple of seconds. This is so quick, guys. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. Takes about 10 minutes, guys. Just make sure that sugar is good and dissolved. You just want to kind of stir it in there. Then we've got our cranberries here. They've been rinsed and drained. Always wash your produce, guys. Always wash your produce. Okay, so now what we're going to do is gently put our cranberries in there, because the OJ and sugar is hot and you don't want a splattery mess. You don't want to get the sugar all stuck to everything, so you don't want to just dump them in. So you just want to kind of gently make sure they drop in there. Because I guarantee you, if you throw those cranberries in there, you're going to have a hot mess. And sugar burns, baby, burns. All right, so you just want to go ahead and bring these cranberries up to a boil until they start to burst. About halfway through, I'm gonna bring you back in and show you what we're gonna do. You do want to cover these. If you have a splatter, you can cover them with that. If you don't, you can simply put your strainer right back on top of them, just like that, because they're going to pop. And as they pop, you don't want another hot splattery mess. You can put a top on there, but that's going to make them cook a little bit faster, reduce a little bit faster, and you want them to go at the right amount of speed. So I don't have a splatter top, so I'm putting my colander right on top like that. Okay guys, we'll be back. So guys, we're about at the halfway mark, and as you can see, they are still cooking nice and slowly. So what we're going to do now is go in with our masher, just a regular potato masher, guys. You don't need nothing fancy. Use a fork if you don't have one. Yes, just mash them up, guys. You can use a fork. It'll be a little hot, but you can use one. You don't want to mash them all up, but you want to mash them some. That's going to help thicken them up. And then you're not going to get lumps of cranberries when you do bite into it. And then we're going to let these keep boiling for about another 5 until it reduces down some. But as it cools, that's when it's going to really reduce, guys. Yes, you're going to have that luscious consistency. But look at that, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Yes. And guys, this is also a make-ahead dish. Who has time to make everything on the holiday? Who has time to make everything the day before? Come on now, you can easily make this, and once it cools completely, you can put this in a Ziploc bag and put it in your freezer till the time comes. Then take a pot of warm water and let that bag sit in the warm water until it thaws. So we're gonna let this keep cooking and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're going to get this poured into our bowl and cooled. Then we'll come back and let you see it after it's cool. But oh my goodness, this looks amazing, amazing, amazing. Pour it slowly, guys. It is so hot. It is so hot. It's going to thicken as it cools, and it's going to be simply amazing. Oh my goodness. Yes. We're going to let this cool, and we'll be back. Okay guys, it has cooled some. It is not as cool as it's going to be for me to freeze it, but it's cool enough to taste. Yes, so let's go ahead, guys. I'm gonna get in a little bit here. I don't want to be rude. Have the first bite. Have the first bite. Doesn't that look good, guys? The smell is amazing. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is really delicious, quick and easy. Thank you all for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen. For all of you all who are subscribed to me, thank you so much. I thank God for each and every one of you all every day. And if you are not subscribed to me, go ahead, subscribe, tap the bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing recipe. And guys, I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.